Want to know how people are making real money on TikTok in 2026? Some creators are earning every single day just by posting short videos from their phones. And the best part? You don't need to be famous to start. Here are the top ways to make money on TikTok. 1. TikTok Creativity Program. TikTok pays creators for videos that get lots of views and engagement. To qualify, you need followers, views, and original content. The more viral your videos become, the more money you can earn. 2. Live gifts and donations. When you go live on TikTok, viewers can send you virtual gifts. TikTok converts those gifts into real money. Many creators make money just by entertaining or chatting with fans during live streams. 3. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest methods. You promote products using your TikTok videos, and when people buy through your link, you earn commission. You can use programs like TikTok Shop, Amazon Affiliates, or other affiliate websites. 4. TikTok Shop. You can sell products directly on TikTok. This can be your own products or products from other companies. Short videos showing the product working can quickly go viral and bring sales. 5. Brand sponsorships. Companies pay creators to promote their products. Even small creators can get sponsorships if they have active followers and good engagement. 6. Driving traffic to YouTube or websites. Many creators use TikTok to grow their YouTube channels, blogs, or online businesses. More traffic means more money from ads, sales, or sponsorships. Pushpin tips to grow faster on TikTok. Post consistently every day. Use trending sounds and hashtags. Keep videos short and interesting. Start videos with a strong hook. Reply to comments and engage with viewers. High voltage. Remember, consistency is the secret. Most successful TikTok creators didn't go viral overnight. They kept posting until one video exploded. If you start today and stay consistent, TikTok can become a real source of income in 2026.